you're a programmer or a gamer or somebody who wants to build a game but don't know what game to build or what type of game to invest into or what's happening out there that you should jump into. Now, games are a very good way to build a brand, to build an audience. If you have a game app, then you're on the verge of making a lot of money because then you have a whole lot of people who are subscribed to your channel, subscribed to your game, and you could even have an in-app purchase, right, in your gaming business. Let me show you exactly what you can do to decide what game to invest into. So simply come on PP Ads. If you don't know what PP Ads is, PP Ads is an amazing tool that can help you spy, see what ads are running, see what's happening out there, see what's helping people make money. As a matter of fact, I call PP Ads my fortune teller, right? A fortune teller that tells you what's making money, what's causing buzz out there, be it on Facebook, be it on TikTok, be it on Shopify. They do all of that for you. If you want to get started with TikTok, want to get started with PP Ads, click on the first link in the description and to bring you here, and then you could simply enjoy 20% discount from it. So let's jump into it. So you simply come on PP Ads, right? So this is like your home session, and you click on gaming. Right now, by the time you're clicking this video, some things might have changed because you know how platforms like this operate. They usually upgrade very often, right? So let's come here and just see and try and check out what game is working out there. Now, watch what I do, right? We could simply decide to do on Apple Store or on Google Play Store, right? So just pay attention to the filter point here. This point, this is where you need to pay attention to, all right? To see exactly how we cook this up. So this is what you do, okay? So you can come here and just type in category. What kind of games are you looking for? Please watch this carefully. So this might be a bit lengthy, but you will get the most out of this. Now, you don't even have to be a gamer. You don't even have to know how to build games. I'm going to show you towards the end of the video. If you don't know how to make games, but you have an idea in the back of your mind how you can make this happen, all right? So click on game category, right? And I'm also going to show you another stats to show you how much gaming apps make on Google. Before we go further with this, let's just simply check that out. How much do gamers make on YouTube, on Google? All right, so let's simply come on here and I just ask how much does gaming apps make on an average? Gaming apps make, right? Enter. So let's just find out, see what it tells us. Now, gaming apps can make a wide range of amounts from a few dollars to billions annually. All right, so let's just check this out. There's this showing an average revenue for 10,000 users of $22,000 to $10,000 for an in-app purchase, and $500 to $3,000 for ads. Now this is where the juice is, guys. You don't make money from in-ad purchase, or you make money from ads. That's how this works, and you can make a whole lot of money. The other factors you can consider, like you see here, revenue method and all of that. But don't worry your head about that. First of all, let's just see what app makes money, right? So let's click on action, okay? Let's see action, right? And then let's see, we're trying to check out the category now. We've picked action. Sorry, click apply. Make sure you click on apply if not, it won't work. You can add other, but I'm going to leave an action. Monthly revenue. Now, how much do they make per month? Let's say, for example, we want to do medium. This is medium, all right? That's what we want to do for now. Or let's pick for this. Let's see, 100 to, let's see, apply, finds there. Monthly installs, how many monthly installs they have? Let's see, the same thing. Let's see, make sure it's all right. Great, is there, apply. The app rating, obviously, we're looking for 4 to 5 star rates. What release date, when were they released? Let's say we want, like, say, 3 to 3 months ago, 2 months ago, right? We're looking for videos that, games that just came out. We don't want to look for games that have been there for a very long time. So run ads. How long can they start running ads? Suggestion medium, just like that. The first scene, let's say the first scene like 30 days ago. The country, let's pick countries. Let's, for example, pick the US, or we pick we'll add, let's look for another English speaking country. Let's say we pick Canada, and let's say we pick what else we pick. I think that's fine for now. Click apply, right? And then we look for, that is the language, obviously English. If we're picking Canada and US, apply. The CTA button, which is the call to add button, is, let's say we're doing install app here, apply. Landing page, leave all of that. Data impressions, leave all of this. Now, if you notice, there's really very little data here because we're being too specific. But if I go do this, if I close this, close the country, I move America and I move Canada. Okay, we load data, it says, or you clear everything. Now, if you clear everything, let's just wait. Let's refresh the page. So, refresh the page, we're back here, right? So, remember what we're trying to do is we're trying to look for what's happening out there. This is just to help you do all of the tweaking. But one of the tools that I know usually helps a lot is just to find out, not really this one, the release dates. Release date also work. How long ago has it been released? All right, that also works. If you put in 2 months ago, and wait for it to search for the app that has been on for that long, you see what it's going to do for you. So this helps you see what gaming app is buzzing out there at the moment. You could decide to, replicate yours, like I'm going to show you in a bit. Okay, so see several gaming apps. All right, I don't know what the games are, but I can assure you this is in America. Show you this is gonna be really cool.
Catfish, big bounty. I'm taking the job.
All right,
Boat's ready. Let's go.
so you see the app,
Cast. Wait.
the platform.
Reel it in.
This is like a fishing app or a fishing game, and see it's in Google Play Store, and the ad is on TikTok, right? So that's one of them. If you scroll down, there's another one. Okay, also the same thing, Google Play Store and also on TikTok. There are quite a number of them, right? So just go on and see. This looks really nice. Okay, the same thing. You get the Google Play Store and then on TikTok. So basically, you could see games here. There's another very nice one here. Right? It's like an Irish thingy, Viking type of theme, right? So these are different games that you could simply just go in and replicate, right? You could simply replicate these games. And how do you now create these games? It's simple. You just simply go on, let's go on Fiverr. You simply go on Fiverr, for example, and then fiverr.com, and just click enter and look for somebody who can build a gaming app. Quite simple. Okay, it's not showing. Let's just type in fiverr.com and see what it gives to us. Click on the first link. It's going to bring you here. Click on gaming, type on gaming app. All right, so you see several people here. Now this person is saying it's going to do for about from 150. Please take note that when they say from 150, doesn't mean it's 150. All right, from 150, from $100, I'll build an advanced gaming app or website with slots, poker, and live dealer from $500. I will interior design for gaming room for a gaming app, $50. I will develop sporting website, sporting web app, sporting gaming app. All right, all of this costs from $300, and I will build. All right, so there's several of them here. I will make iOS or Android gaming apps for you from $5. I will design unique, cute pet cat logo. Don't need that. I'll create video game trailer or app promo. All right, so these are several people here that can do any of these games for you. I will create mascot logo for Kick. Don't need that. So just go on and just check for those who you know, would fit into whatever you want, and you pay them. They build the app for you that looks like what you've seen on PP ads. For example, if we're here and this is let's say we want a game like this. We want a game like this, right? So all you do just okay. So you can simply just download this game and just send to the person you have spoken to on Fiverr and say, hey, this is the game I'm looking to get in, and how much is this going to cost? And they give you the real figure. The price you see here are just like a starting price, not necessarily the price to get it done, right? So when you get all of this out of the way, you're a good start. You're poised to make a whole lot of money, because trust me, gaming apps make quite a lot of money. Not just money, you have a good database of your ideal clients. So for example, if you're trying to sell to teenagers, you make a game like this. If you're trying to sell to a bit more advanced or older people, you make games like Candy Crush, and all of those kind of easy games or puzzle. You make puzzle or chess. You see, when you have these types of game, what it helps you do is that it helps you in building your list, your buyers list. So when you have other products you want to sell, you already have emails that are already on the go, emails that you have gotten from your game. So as a matter of fact, you can even have a free game, and your game will just be meant to take data, meaning email, right? So that you could use this email to then sell your other products you have, be it affiliate marketing or be it any other product you have or you want to sell out there. This is a blueprint to make a lot of money, right? Yes, you might spend some money when it comes to building the game itself, but then there's some ways you can get this done by getting somebody on Fiverr who understands the competition and understand the game, the industry, right? Or you could look for somebody who you can collaborate with and say, hey, let's make build an app, or we can, like a gaming app, can be poker, whatever game at all. Just think about it. Come here, look for it. The reason you're looking for it here is to see that it sells, meaning that it's promising, and also to get the exact thing. So when you're talking to the developer, you just send the developer the video. They see it and they understand exactly what it is you want. Because sometimes explain to the developer exactly what we want might be a bit difficult. But this is one way you can make tons of money, right? I started this style of business not quite long, and it's been helping me get the type of clients. One, for my client base, right? That's one. Two, making some money on the side because I know what is working. I know the impression. I know what people are doing. So let's do this first. Let me show you. This is for example. This is the game we want. All right. So click on it. I'm gonna come on here, open up here, and wait for it to stay. We just pause this. All right. So you can see more details here. Click details. You can see the ad costs basically about $1 a small impression, about $2,000, 2,000 impression. Run the ads for 3 days, and so far no conversion. Now conversion here is based, say, automatically calculated by BP ads based on big data and common conversion. So it's not, doesn't mean the person is not making the conversion, just that the data is not enough for PP ads to determine if this person is making some good conversions. But like I said, you necessarily do not really, depending on your aim, you know how to read this data. If your aim is to make in-app sales, then fine. If your aim is to have people install, then just install the app without them spending any money. Then please understand the motive for this. Check on that game. Let's check this one out. This 2 days. So this is quite early for PPRs to get data because like 2 days old ad that's on here. But I can assure you, all of these ads show you that see people are doing it. This is 40,000 impression here, 4 days and 33 likes. You come down here, you see 72,000. 3 days ago, 25 likes. You have them like that. So this helps you to decide which of them you want to invest your money on. Something either similar or you can tweak it a bit. I hope this was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comment section. And click on the first link in the comment section to get access to BB ads and get 20% off it. If you have any question on how gaming app works and all of that, let me know in the comment section and I'll make a video, a more detailed video on how this works. This is just to introduce you to it. We'll be covering more tools and more ways you can make money with different tools online. So just subscribe to the channel, click on the bell button so you don't miss when these videos come out, because we make these videos on a regular basis. And if you're really serious about making money, this is where you need to be. We show you things you need to know. We show you what you don't know is out there. We show you trending tricks. We show you tricks that are not trending yet that you could jump into and start making money from the get-go. We're all about you making money. No matter how small the money is, you could start small and grow big. There's nothing that's easy. They are just simple. This process I've shown you is simple, but not necessarily easy, meaning you have to put in the work in everything we show you. Thank you for watching the video. But if you're serious about making money and starting small but then growing big, I recommend you watch this next video and see exactly how you can make that happen. Thank you again for watching this video and see you in the next one. Cheers.